Welcome to Road Thrills. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Mighty 13 4x4 mini tractor, a compact powerhouse designed for versatility and efficiency. Let's start with the exterior. The Honda Mighty 13 has a modern and rugged look, built to withstand tough conditions while maintaining a sleek design. Its durable frame is paired with wide, all-terrain tires that provide excellent grip, whether you're working in muddy fields or navigating rocky paths. The LED headlights ensure clear visibility, even in low light conditions, while its compact size makes it perfect for tight spaces. Step inside, and you'll find a thoughtfully designed operator's cabin. The seat is ergonomic and comfortable, ideal for those long work days. The controls are intuitively laid out, making it user-friendly even for first-time operators. A digital display keeps you informed with real-time data on fuel, performance, and maintenance alerts. Smooth steering and spacious footrests add to the comfort, ensuring an enjoyable operating experience. Performance-wise, the Honda Mighty 13 packs a punch with a reliable 13-horsepower engine. Its 4x4 drivetrain provides exceptional traction, allowing it to tackle challenging tasks effortlessly. It's also fuel efficient, making it an economical choice for long-term use. With compatibility for various attachments, this mini tractor handles a wide range of tasks with ease. Pricing starts at an attractive $8,000, offering excellent value for its features. Whether you're into farming, landscaping, or utility work, the 2025 Honda Mighty 13 is a compact tractor that delivers big results. Stay tuned for more reviews on Road Thrills.